everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a really handy piece of gear that can make a world of difference in your audio setup. The Suanqi 6-inch XLR Female to 1/4-inch TRS Female adapter cable, which conveniently comes in a 2-pack. For anyone dealing with a mix of professional and consumer audio equipment, these little adapters are an absolute lifesaver. What exactly are we looking at here? Well, these are adapter cables designed to bridge the gap between your high-end professional gear and more standard consumer devices. Each cable features an XLR 3-pin female connector on one end and a 1/4-inch 6.35 mm TRS female adapter on the other. This configuration is perfect for those moments when you have an XLR male cable and a 1/4-inch TRS male cable that you need to connect, perhaps to extend a run or adapt an input-output. It's a common scenario in home studios, live sound setups, or even just connecting a microphone to an interface that might have different input types. One of the standout features of these Suanqi cables is their support for balanced stereo signal transmission. This is crucial for maintaining clear, noise-free audio, especially over longer runs or in environments prone to interference. The balanced connection helps eliminate hum and buzz, ensuring that your sound remains pristine and professional grade. This isn't just a simple wire, it's engineered for quality audio transfer. The compact size is another huge plus. At just 6 inches long, these cables provide convenient connectivity without adding to the dreaded cable clutter that can quickly overwhelm any audio setup. They're short enough to be discreet, yet long enough to offer flexibility when connecting devices that are close to each other. This thoughtful design makes them incredibly practical for tight spaces or portable rigs. And let's not forget the quantity. You get 2 adapter cables in each package. This is incredibly useful, whether you need to connect multiple audio devices simultaneously or simply want a reliable backup. Having a spare on hand can save a lot of headaches during a gig or recording session when a connection unexpectedly fails. It's always smart to have redundancy, and Suanqi provides that right out of the box. Finally, the construction of these adapters speaks volumes about their quality. They feature heavy-duty connectors with gold-plated contacts. The gold plating isn't just for show. It ensures reliable signal transfer and minimizes signal degradation over time. This means less resistance, better conductivity, and a longer lifespan for the cables themselves. These aren't flimsy throwaways. They're built to withstand the rigors of regular use, whether in a studio, on stage, or in a home entertainment system. These Suanqi adapter cables are compatible with a wide range of audio equipment, including amplifiers and speakers, making them versatile tools for any audio enthusiast or professional. If you're looking for a robust, high-quality solution to connect your diverse audio gear, these 6-inch XLR Female to 1/4-inch TRS Female adapter cables are definitely worth considering. They offer excellent performance, durability, and convenience in a compact, dual-pack format.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.